Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can send Microsoft Word document files and also PDFs if you are using WhatsApp on your laptop. It's very much simple and easy. I'm going to show you guys how to do this in this tutorial. So I have my WhatsApp launched here. So I open the person I want to send this document to, our chat. So I come here and I tap on the attach button here, and you can see I have the document section. So I just tap on the document like this. And good, I have the document I want to use for this tutorial in this folder. So let me double tap it, and good. So you can see this cover letter is in Microsoft Word document and this is in PDF. So let me select this first and let me try sending it, and then let me tap on enter, and then I'm good to go. So now let's do the same for PDF. So now let's touch on the attach, and now let's come here to our document and let's select our PDF file, enter, and now let's send it here, and we are good to go. So that's it on how you can send a Microsoft Word document file and also a PDF if you're on WhatsApp and then you are using a laptop. So that's it for the video. I have a tutorial on how you can send an audio file if you are using WhatsApp on a laptop. So you can check that out on my channel. If you are new here, try to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.